They came in hot when you first met. You were seeing them steadily, they were showing you interest steadily. Then all of a sudden there was a shift in energy. They have strong feelings for you, but they also have a strong F-boy energy. Initially you did think that this person could be one because all the signs were there. It seemingly be that all the signs from the universe were there for you both. But as time progressed, you was actually questioning, am I seeing these signs right? Asking, what is the reason that we met? Right? We're asking the universe, why did you meet? For correspondences, I'm hearing the names Chicago, Lawrence, London, USA, and also someone who's just brought some workout gear, like workout leggings. Yellow roses are prevalent here too. They sabotage this connection with you, and I feel like deliberately, but not intentionally, right? Sabotage this connection with you. There's 10 of Wands energy here and this Ace of Pentacles. So they enjoyed the chase at first. They enjoyed chasing you, wanting to get to know you. But then as soon as you decided, actually, I'm here and I'm available for you, they dropped their connection and wanted you to chase them. They're showing me that they are missing you, missing your touch, missing your smell, and just missing being around you in general. I feel like as well, there's a music connection here. So either where you worked, it played music, or where you was, there was like heavy music, or you shared specific music together. Their energy is coming through as really popular with their own sex. So basically, the opposite sex finds them attractive, but their own sex actually really likes them. Like they feel safe with them almost, or they look up to them. I feel like they're very respected energy in their group setting. This person is working out a way to come forward, but it's kind of like they're taking their time because to them, there's a lot at stake. And to them, they feel really deeply connected to you. And they're actually a little bit shocked at the connection that they feel so quickly. And also at such a pace where you're either not done anything yet, or this is a situationship, right? So considering what it is, there are actually intense feelings there for what it should be. This person is going to bump into you accidentally on purpose, and it's not in the place where you usually are. So they are going to talk with you and have a conversation with you, but it's not going to be where you usually see them. It will be outside of there. And I can see them literally like bumping into you or making an excuse. It might be out if you're out for drinks with friends, but I also see that there will be like other people around, whether they'll be walking but there's other people around you at the time. I'm getting strong air energy, so Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and strong earth, so not Sagittarius, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, somewhere prevalent in their chart. The passion between you guys is magnetic, like magnetic. And I feel like, and I'm blushing saying this, but either you two got frisky recently or like one of you got frisky thinking about the other one, you know what I mean? There's a lot of passion there, let's just say it like that. And you are both feeling it for each other. So the more you're feeling it, the more they're feeling it, and then you're picking up on theirs, and it's literally going back and forth. But all this back and forth is just building the connection that you have. I feel like recently there has been a miscommunication or a separation of conversation or a separation of energy, but this has actually been really important in order for them to truly understand what they are missing out from your connection.